Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold this button, the side button and the crown button together, and we need to keep holding them until you see the Google logo on the screen. So let's press and hold both buttons, keep holding them. And once you see the Google logo on the screen, you can release the buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. Okay, as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.